In this video you will learn how to sell digital products on Big Cartel. First, create a Big Cartel account, sign up for a Big Cartel and choose a plan. This could be a free or paid plan depending on how many products you need to list. Set up your store, add a store name, design your layout and fill in store info such as payment methods like Stripe or PayPal. Install a digital delivery app. Since Big Cartel does not directly deliver digital files, connect a third-party app such as SendOwl or Pulley. These apps automatically send downloaded links after purchases. Add a digital product. Go to Big Cartel's dashboard and click Add Product. Upload images, write a description and set a price, and select your digital product. Connect the product to the delivery app. In your delivery app such as Pulley, upload the digital file and match it to your Big Cartel product. Test the purchase flow. Make a test purchase to ensure the download link is sent correctly after the checkout. Now you know how to sell digital products on Big Cartel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.